Hello friends, topic of today's video is to find discriminant and determine the nature of the root. Class 10 students of all the boards, that is SSC, ICSE and CBSE, have this topic, so all of you can watch it. Standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Formula to solve this equation is x is equal to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. On substituting values of a, b, c in this equation, we get two values of x, or two solutions, or also called two roots of the equation. The two roots are also called as alpha and beta, and the difference between them is sign of root of b square minus 4ac. One has plus sign and second one has minus sign. Nature of the roots of this equation depends on the value b square minus 4ac. Hence, it is also called discriminant. Let us find value of discriminant for these equations. First equation is x square plus 7x minus 1 equals to 0. A is equals to 1, b is equals to 7 and c is equals to minus 1. So b square minus 4ac is equals to 7 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1. 7 square is 49 and minus 4 into 1 into minus 1 becomes plus 4. So 49 plus 4 will give us value 53. So b square minus 4ac or discriminant is 53. Our second equation is 2y square minus 5y plus 10 equals to 0. Here a is 2, b is minus 5 and c is 10. So value of discriminant square minus 4ac is equals to minus 5 square minus 4 into 2 into 10, which is 25 minus 80, that gives us minus 55. Value of b square minus 4ac or discriminant is minus 55. Equation root 2x square plus 4x plus 2 root 2 equals to 0. Here a is root 2, b is 4, c is 2 root 2. Value of discriminant b square minus 4ac equals to 4 square minus 4 into root 2 into 2 root 2. 4 square is 16 and 4 into 2 is 8. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. So 8 into 2, 16. 16 minus 16 gives us 0. So value of discriminant is 0. In this activity, we are given 3 questions. They are to be done differently. Let us do first one. Here we have to write nature of the roots. Let us see what are the rules to be followed while writing nature of roots. If delta or discriminant is equal to 0, then roots of quadratic equation are real and equal. If delta or discriminant is greater than 0, then roots of quadratic equation are real and unequal. If delta is less than 0, then the roots of quadratic equation are not real. Values of b square minus 4ac given here are 5, which is greater than 0, and minus 5, which is less than 0. So nature of roots for first one, greater than 0, 5 greater than 0 is real and unequal. And nature of roots for minus 5, which is less than 0, is not real. So depending upon the value of b square minus 4ac or delta or discriminant, we can say whether roots are real, equal, unequal or not real. In question 2, we are given sum of roots and product of roots. Using these values, we have to write quadratic equation. Quadratic equation whose roots are alpha and beta is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta equals to 0. Here we are given sum of roots minus 7, that is alpha plus beta is minus 7, and alpha into beta or product of roots is 5. So our equation will be x square minus 7x plus 5 equals to 0, which will be x square plus 7x plus 5 equals to 0. Third question, Alpha and beta are the roots of quadratic equation. Equation is 2x square minus 4x minus 3 equals to 0. This equation is given and we have to find sum of roots, that is alpha plus beta, and product of roots, that is alpha into beta. From the equation, first we have to write values of a, b and c. Then we will write alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is minus b by a. So here it will be minus 4 upon 2, which comes to 2. Alpha into beta is c upon a, that is minus 3 by 2. Of roots alpha plus beta is 2 and product of roots alpha and beta is minus 3 by 2. Third question. Determine the nature of roots of the following quadratic equations. We have to first write values of a, b, c, then find b square minus 4ac, that is discriminant or delta. Nature of roots we come to know from value of discriminant. If discriminant is equal to 0, then roots are real and equal. Greater than 0, real and unequal, and less than 0, not real. First equation, x square minus 4x plus 4 equals to 0. Here a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 4, c equals to 4. b square minus 4ac, that is our discriminant, is equals to minus 4 square minus 4 into 1 into 4, which is 16 minus 16, that is 0. So value of discriminant is 0. Roots are real and equal. Second equation is 2y square minus 7y plus 2 equals to 0. Here a is 2, b is minus 7, c is 2. So b square minus 4ac or determinant is equals to minus 7 square minus 4 into 4. That gives us 49 minus 16, which is 33. So value of discriminant is 33, which is greater than 0. If value of determinant is greater than 0, then roots are real and unequal. Third equation is m square plus 2m plus 9 equals to 0. A here is equals to 1, b is equals to 2, c is equals to 9. b square minus 4ac, which is our determinant, is equals to 2 square minus 4 into 1 into 9, that is 4 minus 36. 4 minus 36 is minus 32. So value of determinant is minus 32, which is less than 0. When b square minus 4ac or delta or discriminant is less than 0, then roots are not real. That's all in this video. More important sums will be covered in next video. Subscribe, like and share if you liked it. Thank you for watching.